today. I decided na mag-water fasting since these past few days, medyo naligaw ko ng landas. Kumain ako ng maraming rice at carbs. So, I decided to have a 4 days water fasting. So, let's see how it works on me. So, this is my day 1. So, see you guys! Hello guys! I'm on my second day of my water fasting. And my voice is so past na dahil wala pa akong kinakain since yesterday. So, I'm on a water fasting for 4 days. So, sana kayanin ko kung ano yung magiging results for 4 days. So, bye! See you in 4 days.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon here, and it's been 44 hours of my water fasting, and I'm quite a bit dizzy. I don't feel hungry, but I feel so dizzy. So hi guys, so it's 9 o'clock in the evening dito sa Riyadh. So tapos na yung work ko. So ito, medyo nahihina na ako dahil sa water fasting na to. Pero kaya, tubig-tubig lang talaga. Kaya yan. So, yun, medyo paos na talaga ako. Medyo paos na ang boses ko. Pero I don't feel anything unusual. Except sa paos lang ako. At saka nangihina. Pero kaya. So, yun lang. So, itutulog ko na to. So, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hello guys, good morning. So it's my 3rd day of my water fasting. So I feel so great and I don't feel anything unusual aside sa wala. Hindi ako nahihilo today. Hindi rin ako nagugutom. So I feel more energetic. So yun lang. I wanna show you something with regards with my water fasting. Yung difference ng aking belly, tummy. Tattoo. Pinalagay ko to last sometime of August 2016 when I was in Madrid, Spain during my summer vacation. So, yan. Meaning that I love yourself first. Yan talaga yung mga motto ng mga naging broken hearted sa pag-ibig noon. So, hello guys! So, it's me again. I'm back. So, day 3 ko ngayon. And it's 1 p.m. na dito sa Riyadh. And it's my break time. And wala akong nararamdaman sa day 3 ko ng water fasting. Except sa gutom na talaga ako. Tapos, hindi ako nahihilo. Medyo may energy ako compare yesterday na medyo nahihina na ako. So, ngayon okay. Kaya. Nagugutom lang ako. So, marami na ako naiisip na kainin for tomorrow to break my fast. Yun lang. Just for an update. Nagsimula pala ako ng day 1 ko. I was 66 kg. And yesterday, I was 64.7. So, let's see ilan ang weight ko later. So, after my break, I will weigh myself again. So, update ko kayo guys. So, bye for now. Mwah.
A few moments later.
Third day of my water fasting, I survived. Thank you so much. Yay! Kasi bukas, kakain ako. Thank you. I made it. So, medyo exhausted na ako. So, I have to say goodnight and see you tomorrow. Good night. Morning, guys. I survived my day 4 and it's day 4 today. Yay! And now I'm gonna show you something with my belly tummy for my day 4 update. There you go.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! I'm back again. So, I'll just give you an update sa nangyaring 4 days water fasting ko. So, wala akong masyadong naramdaman nung water fasting ako for 4 days. Except lang naman sa nahihilo talaga ako, nagugutom, tsaka namaos ako. Yun lang naman, yung tatlo. So, okay naman siya, na-survive ko yung 4 days, okay ako ngayon, kumain na ako, masaya, na-reach ko yung gusto kong i-reach, that time na gusto kong mag-water fasting, which is to lose my weight for at least 2 to 3 kg, and it happened. So, I'm happy! Then, with regards to this water fasting, hindi ko siya ina-advise sa mga beginner na gusto mag-water fasting. It should be gradually, guys. So, pag sinabing gradually, kasi ako guys, nag-start ako sa OMAD. Nag 1 meal a day muna ako. Then, nag-intermittent fasting ako ng 16 to 8 hours. Then, after that, nag 24 to 30 hours ako. Then, 34, 36 to 48 hours na fasting. Hanggang sabi ko, let's see how it works kung kaya ko yung 4 days water fasting. Which is, I did. I made it. Kaya ko pala. Medyo ano lang talaga. Nakakahilo lang talaga siya. Pero okay siya. So far, okay siya. Okay pa naman ako. Yun lang naman yata ko talaga. And I'm happy sa naging results. Yun lang. Then, yun lang sa mga beginner na gustong magpapapayat or kung ano man ang goal nila, kung bakit gusto nila mag-water fasting. Basta kaya nyo, listen to your body. Pag hindi kaya, wag mo na pilitin. Start muna tayo from the bottom to top kasi mahirap magmadali. Tsaka ang pagpapapayat ay hindi kompetensya. Kasi sarili mo yan. So, ako kasi guys, nag-start ako 9 months ago. That was December last year. Nag-start ako magpapayat. Hindi ganun kadali. So, 9 months, eto na yung result. I was weighing that my heaviest weight was, I think, 88 kg nung nag-start ako mag-diet. Then now, I'm proud to say that I am 63.5, sometimes 63, and I'm reaching my goal weight na mag-58, kung kaya sa 58. Kung hindi, at least 60. Kasi, ano ako, I'm 165 cm tall, so medyo payat na talaga tingnan. Yan lang guys, so thank you for watching sa journey ng 4 days water fasting ko. And sana magustuhan nyo at sana mag-subscribe kayo sa aming channel. Yun lang, and thank you guys. See ya! Bye-bye!